Hello everyone and welcome in the Dying Light the Beast game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the binocular in this game, so stay with me and enjoy watching. At first you have to make sure that you equip the binocular. How to do it? You have to hold the one button in your numeric keyboard. Now you have to choose the binocular, and then you have to press the B button on your keyboard, and that allows you to use the binocular and track enemies. You can also, if you see the enemy, you can just press the right button to ping it and see it with this red icon that you can see over his head. And then what you can do also, you can find some new spots, and then if this spot is new and you didn't discover it, then it will be attached to the map and describe what is this place that you discover. So this is very good to sometimes stay in the higher ground and look what's around you by using this binocular. I hope this tutorial should help you a little, so leave a like, comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!